one is 15-ton per hour pallet machine for Poland customer. And this one is 10-ton control cabinet production line, and with a small premix line and silo systems. And this is 1 to 2-ton pallet machine. Behind this, that one is a pre-cleaner for the silo. You can see it's very big. And the next one, this one is 10-ton pallet machine. And this one is 15-ton per hour. This one 15-ton per hour. And all of these are 15-ton per hour for American customer. And this one is another 10-ton pallet machine, but with 2-layer conditioners. You can see 2-layer conditioners for poultry feed, fish feed, and even shrimp feed. And this one is 3 to 4-ton pallet machine, 1-layer conditioners. And this two is rotary screener for 3-ton to 4-ton. And this 3 sides, big one is 10-ton rotary screener. And this one is hammer mill. These two is same model. These two are same model. They are 10-ton per hour, and behind it that is dust collector equipped with a hammer mill. And this one is 3-ton to 4-ton hammer mill. 37 kilowatts. And grass alpha straw hammer mill. This hammer mill is bigger inlet. You can see bigger inlet. And force feeder. This is a force feeder. To like a human hand to make the materials into the crushing room. This is 2 sets. Okay, next part. This is another control cabinet for 10-ton. This is a home to pallet production line. This is a package 1 to 2-ton one. Another alpha crusher and a small dryer for floating fish feed. You can see the dryer. You can see the belt we use. Very good. Another set, bucket elevator. And this is pre-cleaner. This is mixer, 5-ton per hour. This is hammer mill, 5-ton per hour. And this is another control cabinet, 5-ton per hour. Also, rotary distributor. And you can see this one. Oh, it's big. This is ton packing machine. Ton packing machine. One bag can pack 1 ton, but you can adjust from 500 kilogram to 1 ton per bag. It's very big. You can see. Very big. And this is a powder pre-cleaner to clean the raw materials. And this one is a 1 to 2-ton pallet machine line, complete line. We built it in our workshop to make the test. The feature is all the structure is both type. Means the customer no need to make foundation, and all of the steel structure we will make it in our workshop, and customer only to install it with our video. That is enough. Save lots of money for customer. This is a control cabinet. Hammer mill, mixer, pallet machine, cooler, screener. Okay, this is our painting part. Painting and drying. This is a batching screw conveyor. Connect with the batching scale. Okay.